How to turn on parental controls on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable parental controls on Play Store easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Play Store. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and click on settings here. Now after you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page right here, as you can see. Now click on family option. After you click on family, as you can see, you will find parental controls. Click on it and click on from here, add your pin, and everything will be done. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.